Hello. In this video, I will show you how to edit Moody Dark Orange filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos, before and after. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -30. Bring the highlight to -60. +50 for shadow. White and black to -30. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to color, tint to -10. +30 for vibrance. Saturation to +60. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to -10. Next go to orange. Hue to -20. Saturation to -40. And luminance to +20. Go to yellow. -100 for hue. And saturation to -50. Next go to green. Bring the hue to -50. And -100 for saturation. Bring the saturation to -100 for aqua, blue, purple and magenta. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +40. Dehaze to +20. -20 for vignette. And 0 for midpoint. Now go to detail. +60 for sharpening. Noise reduction and color noise reduction to 10. Go to profile and select vintage 1. Take a look of before and after. Now let's copy the setting and try to another image to check. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.